Streamlabs got some splaining to do.
Hey, how you doing, everyone? Welcome. You guys are being weird.
Hey, yo, how you doing? Welcome back, everybody. I haven't done a gaming news video in a while. It's actually been, I thought I did more recently, but I'm looking at my playlist. It says I haven't done it in like a year. Wow, that's crazy. Listen, I need to do more of these because these actually get views. Listen, Streamlabs. Streamlabs OBS, or now known as just Streamlabs. So this happened 2 weeks later, so 2 weeks ago. So this is following up 2 weeks later. I just didn't talk about it when it first happened because you know me, I just make content when I want to. But for those that don't know, Streamlabs, which is a streaming well, actually, it's not what even it originally was. It was Stream Alerts. It used to be an alert website. Streamlabs, the creators, they basically are in a lot of trouble, and I'll explain why with a brief breakdown, and then we'll get into it. So they, I guess, copied almost like verbatim this other company's, what would you say, website mission statement? Yeah, called Lightstream. And Lightstream is a platform where you can basically do live streams straight from your Xbox or PlayStation, but you can also sync it up to like a website. And next thing you know, you can stream kind of like I do off my computer, but from a console. All right, this is a bad introduction and explainer, but I will switch over to the, where is it? Is it here? Is it somewhere? There it is. All right, I'm gonna switch over to the picture and then we'll talk about it. Let's do it. All right, so here it is. So I can stop rambling profusely because it's not good. So this is what's going on, or this is what happened. Streamlabs got called out. They got called out big time, not just by Lightstream, but also by some of the big guns. You know, the OBS, Elgato, some other smaller factions. I'm just gonna make a quick video explaining kind of what happened, and then we're gonna go on with our lives. So for those that don't know, Streamlabs used to be Stream Elements, which was connected to a lot of people's Twitch alerts, right? I think I still use them. I might have to uninstall them, but I did use them for donations back. I mean, even now, even though people don't really donate, some people do. Shout out to those who still do. But as you can see on the right, this is why they got called out. So Streamlabs Studio is a new platform that they're creating, and it has almost the exact same mission statement. Level up your PlayStation, Xbox streams, level up your console streams, same thing. How does it work? How does it work? Cloud capture for console streams, cloud capture for console streams, full layout and design control. Can y'all read this? It looks kind of tiny on my screen. I don't know if can I zoom it in more? When I zoom it in, it zooms out. That's weird. Okay, now what? There, where? There? No, what? I tried, everybody. I'm sorry. You get the gist of it, though. They basically just copied a entire other platform's work, and that's what they tweeted. The other platform, Lightstream, said, "Hey, can I copy your homework?" Yeah, bet. Just change it up a bit so it's not that obvious that you copied. Bet. And it's kind of gross that this even happened, because Streamlabs then even wanted to defend it. They were just like, "Oh, we made a mistake. We made a mistake. Text on the landing page was placeholder text that went into production by error. This is our fault. We removed the text as soon as we found out. Our intended version is now live. Lightstream team is great, and we apologize," basically. But Lightstream's like, boy, everybody in the chat is like, that's cap. Why would you have placeholder text? Why am I going to add messages? Why do you have placeholder text for a platform that's not yours? Basically, oh no, sorry, we didn't mean to show that we copied your homework, but we copied it. We were going to change it later. So this is where it all started, and then it started to snowball into a situation where OBS, I'm at the wrong tweet, OBS called them out and said these things. near the launch of Slobs, aka Streamlabs OBS, Streamlabs reached out to us about using the OBS name. We kindly asked them not to. They did so anyway and followed up by filing a trademark. Do you know what that means? That means they trademarked a part of OBS project's name, which is OBS, Open Broadcast Software. But, you know, it's just been terrible, I guess. They said we've tried to sort this out in private, and they've been uncooperative at every turn. Pretty sad. And this is even a follow-up. They said we're often faced with confused users and even companies who do not understand the difference between the two apps. Support volunteers are sometimes met with angry user demands and refunds. We've had interactions with several companies who did not realize our apps were separate. Legally, they have obeyed and here's the thing, it's not the fact that anything they do is illegal. It's just that Streamlabs is practicing terrible business practices. Very, very scummy stuff. And you know what? I don't think I saw this actually on CoffeeZilla's channel. Shout out to CoffeeZilla. Let me see if I can find this tweet. Which one is it? Did I delete it? Oh no, go back. Well, I'm looking at everything. No, there we go. Your boy was all over the internet. So this, I don't know who this person is. Muratza Hussein. Who is the co-founder? Oh, co-founder of, look, see, I think, no disrespect. I don't know this person, maybe disrespect. This person seems to be the co-founder of Streamlabs, Pledges, Blueberry, Peanut Labs, and a bunch of other apps. Streamlabs basically just like sees a good idea and then they rip it off and try to make like their own version of it and then they monetize it. So you got OBS, right? So Streamlabs is like, we could do that. Especially because OBS is an open source program, so you're allowed to make a version of it, which they call forking. You can fork and make a different version as long as it's not, you know, too similar, like copying homework. And I guess this guy who is the co-founder was a part of that whole situation. And I don't think a lot of people saw this, and I saw this on CoffeeZilla's video where this person responded and said to OBS Project, this is not true, and you know it. We asked Hugh, we asked Jim. He said yes, proof is attached. I'm no longer at Streamlabs. Never mind. Wait, oh, so you were the co-founder, but now you're not there? Whatever, but just wanted to set the record straight. So I guess this is the email that he's referring to, and someone named Hugh Bailey, I guess, who is the OBS, I don't know, technical director? No idea. And Eddie Garby at Streamlabs. I don't know who that is either. But it says from the beginning, if you scroll down to the bottom, it says, "Hi, Jim. It's Eddie from Streamlabs. We met at TwitchCon." This is so goofy. I'm one of the devs working on our streaming software, which is basically a rip-off of your streaming software, but a little bit more sparkly and attractive to content creators. And I will say this, Streamlabs OBS is a lot more user-friendly to a certain degree. You just got to know what you're doing. We are setting up the GitHub. Now, here's where they mess up. Dude said that they asked him if they could use the name on the streaming software, and that's not what this email says. It says, we're setting up the GitHub to make the code available for everyone. We were wondering about the right name to choose. We are thinking about this one, Streamlabs OBS. So, I mean, I guess the GitHub is possibly the download. I forget what GitHub means. Should I look that up real quick? Hold on. What's GitHub mean? GitHub meaning, and hopefully nothing weird comes on screen. GitHub is a web-based version control and collaboration platform for software developers. GitHub facilitates social coding by providing a web interface to the Git code repository and management tools for collaboration. GitHub can be thought of as a serious social networking site for software developers. Okay, I guess. So it's like essential repositories, branches, commits, pull requests. I still don't think GitHub is a code hosting platform for version control and collaboration. I still don't think that's a good enough excuse. Whatever. They said they wanted to use that name for the GitHub. And then they said, is that a problem for you if we name it for our repo, which contains OBS? If so, feel free to let me know and we'll find another one. Then Jim responded, sure, that name sounds fine, Eddie. I don't particularly mind. Thanks for making it available. It was good meeting you. So, you know, I just needed, hey, Just put the glasses on, baby. Hey, I just needed them to co-sign. Basically, it's like shiesty stuff, man. Shiesty things. From then on, though, I don't know why this is here. From then on, we got Lightstream and the creator of Lightstream, you know, going after Streamlabs. You got OBS responding and saying stuff like, despite actions by Streamlabs, the OBS project will continue to provide free open software and tools for everybody. We will continue to support our users, the community, and our amazing developers for their hard work. Because, listen, I talked about this on stream. OBS deserves a check from all of us right now. I'm using it right now. Listen, it's free to use. But if OBS wanted to, they should be taking a percentage of every streamer on Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, wherever you are. They low-key deserve at least 10% of everybody's monthly ad revenue. If I'm being honest, Twitch gets some of it because we stream on their platform. But what about the program we all use to stream for free? And, you know, shout out to whoever still uses XSplit. I don't use it. But listen, to me, that's crazy that they're just getting forked like this. They're getting forked. All right. Hold on. So Lightstream, we already looked at that. Oh, even Pokimane. Wait, what the heck? Ah, dang it. I lost the Pokimane tweet. Dang it. Hold on. She said they better figure this out or else I'm going to, you know, I'm gonna leave Streamlabs because she's on the face of Streamlabs. Let's go to Streamlabs real quick.com. See if she's up there on the front page. I think she's still there. Streamlabs. Oh, yo, did they get rid of her? Oh, they move fast. Wait, later. They got rid of her off the front page. No way. They did. Products, download, stream. Wait, Streamlabs desktop? Hold on. Oh, wow. They got rid of her. All right. This is what happens when you create content 2 weeks later, JD. So she was like, you all need to remove me from your website if this is the type of practices that you all do. And here's another thing that Streamlabs gets you with. This right here, this Streamlabs Prime. I didn't know I was paying for this. I have been paying for that for like 3 years. And I don't even know how much it costs. Like, hold on, let me see. It's like an all-in-one streaming service where, and mind you, all this stuff that they had when they first created their platform was free. You would be able to get free overlays, free the option to stream on multiple stuff free. All of this stuff was free until they realized that they could make money off of it, and then they finesse people, bruh. Yeah, I don't want this. Get this crap away from me. I had it on my Streamlabs OBS and then I deleted it. Or I unsubscribed from it. But yeah, basically just very shady business practices. And then they finally followed up with this. We are taking immediate action to remove OBS from our name. Streamlabs OBS is built on top of OBS, open source platform. Streamlabs OBS is an open source, blah, blah, blah. Our code is publicly available. We will take responsibility for our actions and we'll support the community. Listen, here's the thing. They've been taking advantage of the community for so long. It's just that finally someone called them out. And I thought that was weird because I've worked with them before. Don't cancel me. Listen, if you haven't been on my streams, but this right here, like my little widgets that come on stream, are these, are these, I gotta make sure these are even showing up right now. Hold on. Only visible on stream, not in the recording. Hold on. Let's change that real quick. Okay, so these little right there, my little alerts, my alerts have one right here that says subscribe. A new warrior has entered the ring. Donate. Money. Bits. The biddies. Hey. So someone from Streamlabs actually reached out to me back in like 2016 or 17. And they just wanted to work with me because they liked my content. They liked my streams, this and the third. But here's what I heard about this whole story. They got rid of their marketing team once they started calling themselves out for bad business practices. Speaking of bad business practices, where's the Elgato Streamlabs tweet. Oh, here it is. Even Elgato, wait. Yeah, here it is. Even Elgato tweeted this out like that same day and said, we know how it feels because Lightstream got ripped off. And it was like, they got the gif of the James Franco first time. And it's like, control your live stream from your phone with Streamlabs Stream Deck. They didn't even change the name. They didn't even change the name of the Stream Deck. That's literally what Elgato calls themselves. Like, it's just sloppy, man. So yeah, that has been going on for years. They finally got called out, and now they're catching hell for it. They're catching a lot of hell. Ah shit! No, turn it off. Sorry. So this was just a recap of what happened 2 weeks ago to Streamlabs, and I would say this follow-up wise. Did anybody put that in the tweets? I saw it earlier. Someone said that even though everybody called them out, nobody is consistent enough to stop what's going on. Like there was definitely a good chunk of people who stopped using Streamlabs OBS, but unfortunately, how come my graphics aren't going? Unfortunately, there are where there you are. So a lot of people stopped using Streamlabs, but they didn't stop using Streamlabs for donations or for Twitch alerts. Or no, is it Twitch alerts? I don't know. Because they have a decent program. So I don't know. This is just a video that I wanted to just make for y'all because I thought you'd want to know. Do you want to know? Was this boring as hell? I'm sorry. All right, man. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, I mean, I would personally recommend using OBS. If you want to use Streamlabs OBS, though, you can. Or Streamlabs. I don't even know what they call it anymore. What do they call it now? I don't know. Maybe they just call it Streamlabs software. I still have the icon on my computer. It still says Streamlabs OBS on my computer. I don't know, y'all. Listen, these are just the facts. With that being said, I'm gonna go live stream because I've just made this video because I was uploading something to the internet and I wasn't able to stream and upload at the same time. I'm gonna go though. I appreciate y'all. I will see you on the next one. Thanks for pulling up. If you want more gaming news, hit that like button, share, subscribe. Check out those videos over there on the left. And let me know what news you want. Drop it in the Discord or message me. DM me on social and we will figure that out. All right, we're doing the outro right now. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, it's so loud. All right, I'm out. I love you. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye, babies. Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off.